Good morning, everyone. Good morning, sir. I am Priyanka TR from Spark CS cluster. Now I am going to create four-cylinder engine by using SolidWorks. So this is the four-cylinder engine which I am going to create now. This is the first part, so that is nothing but a piston. So let's create this piston according to these dimensions. So in here, this piston is about 85 millimeter in diameter. Its diameter is 85 and then the total length is 90. Let's create this one now. Let's open the SolidWorks part. Let's choose a top view, then sketch. So there, let's draw a circle of 85 millimeter. We are doing nothing, so we are just creating the structure as per the dimensions I have shown in the figure. That's it. So that piston diameter was 85, so that's why I am creating a circle of 85 diameter, and then let's extrude it by using extruded boss piece. So as I told there, its length was about 90, so that's why I'm extruding it to 90. Then click OK. It's done. So our cylinder is ready. So now let's select this, then again sketch. So now I'm going to create the piston ring. So here you can see these are the these are looking like a thread, but these are the piston rings. So now I'm creating these piston rings over there. Let's try another one circle. I select this plane, go to sketch. Let's dimension it. That's nothing but 79. Done. So let's delete it. It is not at all necessary. So then go to features, then extruded cut. So there, let's select offset. So why? Because we have to make the rings. We don't want the entire hollow thing. So that's why. So here, let's put 7.3. I'll tell what all these things. And here, let's choose 4.3. Okay. So here it should be ulta, means it should be reverse. And here let's select the flip to side to cut. Why? Because it should cut only the outer part, not the complete depth, not in complete depth. So why these dimensions then? So as I told here, so its length is around 4.3. You can see here the cutted portion size is 4.3 and the distance about is 4.7.3. So that thing I'm giving there. So okay. So click OK. So let's see what happened. Yeah. See, one ring has been created. Right. So like that only I have to create two more one. So for that sake, so okay, let's see here. Here we can see, here these are the three rings. Now I am created only one. So for this another, to create another two, let's make use of linear pattern. Hmm. So then let's choose a axis, this one, and go to linear pattern. Choose this line, that is nothing but axis. So here give 7.3 plus 4.3. Why? Why? Because that both sides. So you can see here, this is 7.3 and this is 4.3. By combining all those things, the distance between each uh, the pattern becomes 11.6. So that's why I'm giving 11.6 over there. And then we need 3 rings total. So 11.6 and 3. So you can see here also, you can see here also, and choose this one portion. So let's click right click. So yeah, you can see here. So you created, we have generated two more rounds, two more rings, piston rings. Let's hide this, not required. Let's see. Then we know that usually piston will be hollow. So for that sake, let's do, let's choose this again and then sketch. Then draw a circle of 76 millimeter. Select, then go to smart dimension, dimension it for about 76. Done. So delete it, it is not required. Then again extruded cut. Yeah, everything is right. Click OK. Oh, okay, okay, sorry. Actually, okay. So go to extruded cut again. So there you have to mention up to what depth you are going to make it hollow. So that is 85. Okay, so okay, right click. So here we can see it has become hollow. Right. Okay. So now in the image it is shown it has become a dome. It has a dome of 5 millimeter. Uh, 5 millimeter dome is there. So let's create that one. So it's better to choose the this part, which select this and again sketch. And no, not required of sketch, but still it's okay. So go to insert. So there features. So go to insert. Their features. Go to insert over their features. So let's choose a doom. Why? Because it didn't come. Why? Because we chose sketch. So for the, if we choose sketch, then we have to sketch on it, but we were not sketching anything, so we are just selecting. So that's why it was not yet coming. So we have to make it as 5 millimeter. Click OK. So done. The doom has been created. We can see over here. No, it's better if we leave in the front view. See, we are able to see it clearly. Okay. So somehow we are creating this part. So this part is done. Upper part is done. So let's create this hollow, the round thing, that hole. No, okay. Let's go to solid software again. Then then choose front plane, sketch. Then go to front plane, sketch. So over there we have to draw a circle. Okay, so direct away from direct, let's take the point. Let's draw a circle of radius of diameter. How much? It's about 33.8. It's 33.8. Okay, done. Then let's delete it. Then also the distance between this point and this point should be 27. 27. Okay, done. Let's delete it again. So again go to features, then extrude cut, then select through all. Means why? Because we need hollow in both the sides. So that's why through both all the sides. Then create, click OK. That's it. We have created the hollow portion. So we can see here, we can see the dome, that rings and hollow, all these things we can see. Okay, let's choose the right plane now and again select, choose the right plane, then sketch again. Why? Because we are going to create this part, that is this part. So we have generated this hollow thing. Now let's draw this. Open the solid box. So then choose a line, draw a random line. Done. Click escape. Again come to the center line. Okay, it's no. That line also went. And again choose another one line, which is of dotted will be better. Then let's dimension them. Let's make it of distance 25. Then it's of distance 12. Let's remove these things. I don't know why these things come. It's fine. Then let's remove this dimension also. This also not required. Choose this both line. Then go to mirror entities. Mirror about this line. Click OK. Here. Done. Let's remove these green things again. Done. So let's use 3 point AC, 3 point arc. Let's join from that point to this point. Okay. Select. Let's make it of radius 42, 40, 40. Done. But we can see some changes have been occurred here. It should be 25. This point also. It should be 25. Okay, done. And this arc length should be 60. Sorry, 40. It is done. Okay, everything is fine now. Means this length should be 12 and this should be 25 and this should be 40. Okay, done. So let's remove the dimension, not required. Done. So let's use the normal line to draw this. Let's join them. Done. Let's extrude them. Again, go to features, then extrude cut. Then here you create through all both sides again. Click OK. Yes, it has been generated. So we can see over here. Yes. So we have generated this piston as of now. Let's see. That structure is somehow looking similar, but still here these are the sharp edges. Let's make it smooth by using fillet. Okay, so use fillet. Okay, let's place this. Okay, select, choose fillet, then click on this edge which you want to make it smooth. Okay, click OK. Let's make all the parts. Again move to fillet, choose it, click OK. Okay, the last one. Choose this edge. Okay, it's done. Hmm. So now we can. So now we have generated the smooth surface itself, smooth edge. So we can see in this figure we have generated the same structure which is showing here. This all looks. So after this is, let's create a front plane. Then sketch. Then let's select this circle. So let's click convert entities. There, let's draw another one circle with uh, so let's convert another one. Let's create another one circle. Let's dimension it, which is a 45. It's done. Then again extrude. Let's extrude it. Yeah. So let's see. Hmm. So it is extruding out of it. So let's select. Wait. Okay. Let's create it only up to the next. Okay. So then, but it is extruding till the center, but we don't need it. So as in the image we can see here, we need a gap of 38. So for that sake, let's extrude about 19 only about 19 centimeters. So you can calculate, you will get the overall 76 diameter again. Okay, so let's click OK. So we can see here, so it is extruded to the half as of now. So then to extrude for the another end, let's use mirror. Let's select mirror. I'll choose front plane. So it is showing the preview. Okay, so boss extrude third and extrude third. This is this part. So click OK. Okay, it has been extruded. Let's see. So we can see over here. Yes. So we can see over here. So we can see over here. So we are done with first part. First part in the sense the part piston. So let's put some color to it. Okay, let's put this one. Done. Okay. So our piston is ready. Let's save it. Let's save it as part 1. In the desktop, in Sage, in CAD. So let's save it. Okay, it's done. So let's create the second part now. That is this piston ring. This piston ring. So this piston ring is made up of two circles. So with outer circle of diameter 85 millimeter and with inner 79 millimeter with thickness 4.3. So let's create it in SolidWorks. So let's open the SolidWorks now. So again, open part. Let's choose the top view. Sketch. Done. Let's create a two circles and the one circle. Let's dimension to it. This is of 79 millimeter. Next it is 85 millimeter. Yes, these are. Then let's go to extrude it. Extruded boss base. So let's extrude it for 4.3. Click OK. Yes, our ring is ready. So we can see over here. So it was 85 millimeter and 79 and thickness 4.3. So we made it. Where is it? So let's put some color to it. Let's put glossy rubber. Okay. So let's see. This is our rubber. So it is ready as of now. Let's save it. Go to 5 and click save as. Let's save it as part 2. Okay. So let's create the fourth part of our engine, that is crankshaft. This crankshaft is the main part of our engine, in which this is the main part of this crankshaft. So which is whose radius is 80 and also it consists of two circles and all. So we'll create it. No need to worry. And this part is connected with a two cylinder shaped structure. It is like a cylinder shaped thing. So with which has 54 diameter and 72 diameter with front and back which is attached to it. And you can easily see over here. So the half part is the mirroring of the other so that we can create it. So let's open the SolidWorks again. Part. So let's choose the front piece, front part, front plane. Okay. So let's draw line. Okay, let's choose a front view, front plane. Sketch and choose center line. So draw two lines. Click escape. So click another one. Okay, done. So then take one circle. So now we are going to draw this part, this small circle. So we are going to draw that small circle. Let's dimension it. Which should be of 72 diameter. It's done. Delete it. And then I'll choose the center point arc. Okay, select and then select this point as well as this point and make it horizontal. Done. and you delete these green color things. Hmm. So then let's join this. So let's join from this to this. So let's put a tangential line. So we can see over here it is showing the tangential line. So wait. From there to here. So we can see from here it is like only horizontal. But when it comes here, it is tangential. It is showing tangential. So click, press there. Click escape. Then select these two lines and go to mirror entities. So mirror about this line. So click OK. Simple. It's done. And also we have to dimension them. So that is, we can see over here. So the distance between, the first thing is, this is 33 degree. Let's do that. And this is 80, it seems. Is it 80? Let's see. Yes, it is 80 radius. So let's do that. Click OK. Done. And also we can see here the distance between this centers of circle and the midpoint is 44 degree. 44. So let's do that. From this point to this point, it should be 44. Mhm. Okay, let's delete them. These are all not important. Yes. So now let's exclude them. And also before that, let's make them thick line. From here to here, let's join. From here, something. Okay, done. So now let's go for extruded base. So extrude this as well as this for about 15 millimeter. So why? Because so it is given that these are all 15 millimeter thickness. So that's why let's extrude them for 15. Done. So click OK. Yeah, you can see over here it has been extruded. Then let's take the back part of it and then let's create one hole. Sorry, one circle. So go to circle again. So basically we are creating this part. This one, which is 54 in diameter and 46 in thickness. So let's draw 54 diameter circle. Fifty-four. Done. And this one. Then extrude them again. But so let's see the thickness. So it is of 46. So let's give 46 over there. It is 46. Okay, done. Okay, you can see here it has been extruded. So it has been extruded. This is the back side part of this. So let's create the front part. For that, take the front view and then select this part. Again, sketch. So as of now, we are going to create this part, which is 72 in diameter and 38 in thickness. So let's draw 72 diameter circle from the center. Is it okay? Is it from the origin? So let's dimension it. So that is 72. Done. So let's delete them again. Then also let's extrude them. Extruded base. So which is 38. So which is 38. So 38 in thickness. Let's see 38. Let's put OK. Yes. So we can see here. So it has been extruded. So this is the front part. This is the back part and this is the front part. So now let's start mirroring each other. For that, so now click reference geometry, take one plane, and in that let's select these two planes and click OK. So that we'll get one reference plane over here, along through which we are going to mirror it. So then click on mirror. So over here, so choose this plane. So it is already chosen. This is plane 1, and then click these things. It is like then click OK. So you can see here we got copied we have mirrored the image. See this thing. Then okay, then let's mirror it again. So again rotate as of now. Then again let's choose the reference geometry. Let's choose this one and click OK, so that you will get one reference geometry, and then go to mirror again. Then in this go to bodies, click on this. We are going to mirror this. So unlock this, untick this merge solids because we are going to rotate it again. So click OK. Yes. So we got this much copied. So then let's copy again. Then we have to rotate it by 180 degree. So for that, go to insert, over there features, then move or copy, then choose this structure which you want to rotate. So let's rotate it in the X direction, that is 180 degree. Then click OK. So it is rotated. So you can see over here it is rotated to 180 degree. So and then so go to reference geometry again. Select this plane. Sorry. Select this plane and this plane. So go to reference geometry, plane, select this plane and this plane and click OK. So one plane is generated here. So then go to mirror again. So it is a simple mirror. Go to bodies to mirror is this two, this one and this one. Click OK. You can see over here we have mirrored it, right? So we have mirrored the entire structure. So this is ready as of now. So then come to this point and okay, so as of now first let's remove these planes which are not necessary. Let's hide them. Okay. So after that, select this front plane and here click this, go to sketch and draw a circle of radius. So let's see what the structure. So it's of radius 32 and extruded up to 80. It is of 32. Let's dimension it. It is of 32 and extruded up to 80. So select. Let's delete this, not required. Go to features and extrude it. So let's extrude it up to 80. Then click OK. So it is extruded. Then let's go to back and here so we have to form this ring like structure along with holes, that is there is 10 holes of 10 diameter each, and now we have to draw a circle of 144 and 110 diameter. So let's select this plane and sketch. So let's draw two circles. To small dimension. Let's make it 144 diameter, and this is of how much was it? What happened? Oh. So it is of 144 and 110. Let's go to dimensions. It's of 144 and this is of 110. 110. Click OK. And let's choose this small circle and let's make only for construction. Then let's draw small rings which I told. Let's draw a circle of 5 diameter. Five radius 10 diameter. Then go to circular entities that comes under linear sketch pattern, circular pattern. Then choose the circle. So and give this 8. Then click OK. So you can see over here it has been generated. Okay. Then after that go to features, extrude it. Extrude it for about So extrude it for 15 millimeter. Click OK. Yes, you can see here. So it has been created like this. You have generated this. You have created this string along with 8 holes. Then after that, go to features, go to insert and then features. Then click combine. Then click add and click these structures. All the structures. Okay. Then click OK. Then let's make this edge as smooth. So for that, go to fillet and then select this. Then select this also. Then, so you can see over here. So when you select it, so there is an option. So that's why we combine the structure. Yes. If we click this, the entire structure is selected. Means this fillet is going to apply for every edge. So it will reduce our work. So let's make it as 3 millimeter. Click OK. Yes, so you can see over here it is cleanly filleted. So let's see this, how is it. So this our crankshaft is ready as of now. Then let's save it. So let's save it as part. Let's save it as crankshaft itself. That is part 3 basically. Click OK. It's done. So let's draw the fourth part of our engine, that is connecting rod. So it is here. So it is a connecting rod. So let's create it. So for that let's draw 4 circles of respective diameters, that is 33.8, 45, 27. Then extrude it. Let's create this part. Go to part. Let's create. Select front view, front point, front plane. Then draw a circle. Click escape. Let's draw the lower circle. Okay. Let's connect these 2 points. Let's dimension it. So this is of 201.2 length and this is of 45 diameter. Delete it. And this is of 33.3, 33.8 diameter. This is of 45. No, this is of 45. So delete them. So this is of diameter 72. You can see in that image. This is of diameter 54 and this is of diameter, cancel, let's delete them instead. So it is of 72. delete the dimensions, not required. Okay, so then choose a line. So you draw from here to here on this line, click escape, then choose this line and go to trim entities over, click on extend entities and extend up to that outer circle. So why? Because if we directly draw from this circle, it will become tangential. So that's why we are doing like that. Then choose this and let's do mirror. So mirror about this line, click OK. Done. So then let's dimension them. The distance between these 2 points are 20. And the distance between these two lines are, sorry, the degree between these two lines is 6. Okay. So let's extrude it. So let's extrude it. So let's extrude it. Yes, it is there. 72. Oh, this dimension got messed. This is 72. Yes. So let's extrude it. So let's check this also once. Why? This is of 45. So this is of 33.8. Yeah, it is correct. Let's delete these things as well. So select, let's delete these dimensions also, not required. Yes, this is ready. So let's extrude it. Go to features, extruded boss base. Let's select this structure. It's a ring. Empty this inner part. Select this. Okay. So and let's extrude it about 38 millimeter. And then let's make it midway. Let's make it mid plane. Okay. So click OK. Done. So come to here and sketch. Make it visible. Okay, done. Then go to extrude boss base again. Extrude it. And make it about 18. Then make it also mid plane. Then click OK. Yes, so we can see here. So after that, let's select this plane, sketch, and let's select center line. Let's draw from this point to this point. Let's join them. Click escape. Then select the center point straight line. So here is the center point. Click and expand. Click escape. Let's dimension it. It should be around 90. Its length is 90. Click delete. Then this radius is 8. So all these structures are fully dimensional structures. Click escape. Then go to features, then extrude cut. Let's cut it around 4 depth. Click OK. So let's do the same thing in the another side. So for that sake, let's do the same in the other side. side. For that sake, let's mirror it. Click on mirror, then plane, mirror about front plane, then click OK. Next. So let's see. You can see over here the same part has been cutted in both sides. Let's fillet it. Means let's make it smooth edge. Choose fillet and let's make it 1 millimeter, and let's select this outer edge as well as the inner edge. Select the fillet. Let's select this inner edge and this outer edge. Click OK. Yes, this has been become extruded. Let's fillet in the another side. Let's click OK. So after this, make this as. So after this, select what happened. So after this, so select the reference geometry, that is plane, then choose this and make it up to 30 and select and flip up and flip offset so that it moves upward. Click OK. So after that, take this part and then click sketch. You have to sketch over here. Yes. So then click on the central straight line, then draw. Yeah, then draw this. Okay. So select, then let's dimension it. It should be it is around 76. It is 76 millimeter. Okay. So then delete it. Then this is around 9 radius. Click enter. Delete. So after that, go to features and extruded boss face. Let's extrude it. Then let's select up to surface so that it extrudes up to the surface, and then select this face and click OK. So as you can see, sorry, yes, yeah, you can see over here. So it has been extruded. So now let's select this plane and let's hide it. It is not necessary as of now. Let's hide, or else it's fine. It's there also. Let's hide it. Okay, done. So after that, let's select this. Okay, so after that, let's select this portion and go to what we call convert entities, then go to extruded cut. Mhm. Wait for a while. Okay, choose this part. So select convert entities, go to features, extruded cut, then click through all and click OK. Yes, so it's done. And then, so again, so let's take this part then. So let's make a holes. We have to make holes. Okay, so here click this, click on sketch. So let's draw a circle. A circle of, so let's see what's the radius of it. Let's see. Oh, I didn't open it. It's of radius 9. So you can see over here. So we have extruded the things and we have drew the circles. So we have to extrude cut it. So this is the radius of 9 millimeter. So let's do that. Yeah, let's dimension it. That is of 9. Click OK. Let's delete the dimension. Not required. This is also 9. Click OK and delete. Okay. So let's go to extruded cut. So let's select through all. Then click OK. So let's see how it has made. So you can see over here it has been cut. We can see the hole over here, right? Okay. So after this, so this has been almost done, but still let's, so these things are looking odd, so that's why let's fillet it. For that, let's click on select. So let's drag it above this. Okay. 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 So let's go to the fillet. So we can drag out it later. Let's fillet about 40 millimeter over here. Let's select the edge, then click OK. Then other side also fillet. It has been set as 40. Then click this, click OK. And also this portion. So this portion also let's fillet it. Take fillet, same 40. Click OK. Then again select the fillet. Over here click 40. Sorry. So fillet. Click this edge sharply. Then click OK. Yes. So it is like this now. Then also then let's fill it again, but let's make it as, so let's fillet it around 1 millimeter, or else let's 3, let's use 3, something. Let's choose this. Click OK. The same thing here. Let's select the fillet. Let's choose this part. Then click OK. So our connecting rod is ready now. So look, you can see over here the complete rod with complete finishing with proper dimensions. But we didn't completed this, right? We have to drag it. So now we can see over here. So now our connecting rod is ready with complete proper dimensions and filleting and all. So now let's give it some color appearance in that. Let's go for gold or something. Where is it? Oh, okay. So let's select metal. So in metal, let's look at the gold. Let's give some color. It is somehow okay. So let's save it. Save this file. Save as connecting rod. So this part is done. So next is, so let's do our last part, our next part. So that is piston pin. So which has the length of 82 millimeter and diameter of 33.8 millimeter. So let's do this in SolidWorks. So let's go to front again. Let's open part. Choose front plane and sketch. Select circle of diameter 33.8. So that is 33.8. Click OK. So then let's go to extruded cut. Extruded boss base actually. Let's extrude it up to 85, up to 82. So why? Because we can see over here. So it is 82 millimeter in diameter. So that's why we are extruding up to 82 and 33.8 is the diameter. Extrude up to 82 and always select mid plane. So it will be good. Then click OK. So you can see over here, if you click on the edge itself, it shows fillet and chamfer. So we can use chamfer here only. So let's keep 2 millimeter and then a degree of 45. So click OK. So here also, so this part. So again click on this, use chamfer. Then it is 2 millimeter. It is there. Click on this, use chamfer. Yes, it is there. 45 degree and 2 millimeter. Click OK. So this is our piston ring. So which is ready. You can see over here. This is the piston ring. So let's add. So it is like a tin. So let's add some color to it. So let's choose iron. It is good. So let's click OK. So our piston is ready. So let's save it. Save as the desktop CAD. Let's save it as piston pin. It's pin, not tin. It's done. So we are done with all the parts of the SolidWorks, all the parts of the engine as of now. So let's assemble them. Let's go to assembly. So over there, So let's intake crankshaft first. Okay, so let's make its color a little plain white. So let's select this and make this float so that this can be easily movable. Otherwise, if it is fixed, it won't move. Then choose right plane, click this one. Hmm. Sketch, then select one center line. So I draw a line from here to here. So then on an average, escape, then click L so that you will get again the line. Escape, then L, escape, then L, escape, then L, escape. Okay. So let's dimension this now. So before that, let's choose these lines and make them constructing one. Let's choose this, make them constructing one. Okay. And let's choose this line and make it horizontal if it is not there. Yes, it is. Done. So let's dimension them. From here to here, it is 144, sorry, 114 distance. So these dimensions, and this also 114. So this is the distance between each piston actually we were used during construction. 114 again. Let's delete it. So from here to here, let's make it 19. Done. And from here to here it is 156. 156. Done. So then let's come out of it. So let's go to mate now. Where is it? Select mate. Select this point and this. It's done. So click OK. So you can see over here. You can run also and it will move right like this. But it goes out also. So that's why to restrict it movement now, let's do like select this point and select this. Okay. So it's coincided. Click OK. So coinciding. So here we can see it has been coincided so that its axis is restricted and also it can't move to and fro also, but it can rotate. That's it. So after this, let's go to assembly. So after this, let's intake all the components. Open. Yes. Let's intake all the components. Uh, rest others too also. Okay. Open. This connecting rod cap, everything. Okay. So let's assemble these two. So by using mate. So first, let's select piston thinker. So let's select front plane of piston thing. Then let's select the front plane of piston pin. Hold control key and select. And click mate. Click OK. So it is undergoing coincident relation. So next click this part and this. Click OK. So it's done. So next is let's make this ring along with this piston. So select this and go to mate. Then select this coincident concentric relation. Click OK. So let's zoom it. Select this. Then this.
This surface. Point.
So let's select that surface. Then this surface. Okay. Mate. Click OK. So it is fixed now. So let's bring another two rings like this. Washer. Let's select this. Go to mate. And then select this surface. It comes. Concentric relation. Click OK. Let's bring that here, little down. Then select this surface, the ring surface. Then select this down surface. Click OK. So as you can see, this has been selected. So like that only, let's call another one. Click OK. Insert components. Another one wash ring. Open. So let's select this ring. Go to mate. Then select this portion. Concentric relation. Click OK. And again, let's remove it. Means let's bring this down. Let's make it above up. Let's select this portion. Then let's select this. Click OK. It's done. So after this, click OK. So after this, let's select piston rod right plane. Where is it? Okay, connecting rod. So connecting rod right plane, sorry, front plane. Then this one, piston front plane. Piston front plane. So hold control and select. So then click mate. So after this, it is going to undergo coincident relation. Then select this. Select this. And after that, select this ring. Click OK.
Piston control key front plane. Met. Is going to met. Okay. Hitting rod, and I'll choose piston pin.
So let's select connecting rod front plane. Connecting rod front plane. So let's choose connecting rod front plane, and then let's choose piston right plane, piston front plane. Hold control key and select. So click on mate. Okay, so after that, select this inner portion of connecting rod. So coincident relation along with this rod. Click OK. अरे यार कब रहता है तो? So select this, click OK. It has been done. So after that, let's move component over here. So after that, select this hole, select this hole and this hole. Select concentric relation. Okay. So then select this hole and this hole. Select concentric relation. Click OK. So we can see over here, it has this portion is ready. Then after that, let's remove this and select mate again. So this face and this face coincident relation. Click OK. So that it won't be removed now. So you can move like this. So it can move like this. Now, okay, it is ready now. So after this, let's bring this assembled crankshaft here. So then go to mate. So there, over there, let's select width. So in that advanced mate, let's select width, then choose this part and then this part and also this part, then this part. So click OK. Then we have to make it concentric relation. So for that, we have to select this part, then this part. So let's make it concentric relation. So click OK. The next part is let's go to copy with mates. So to copy the same thing for these components over here, we need three more like this connecting rods. So let's select this component. Let's select all this, 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 all components and this, and let's click the arrow. Then so this is the width, so we have to select this. So because we have to need this component over here, let's click this. Okay, so next is the concentric one is, so we have to concentrate this, we have to make that rod fix here. Okay, so click OK. So then it repeats again. So again let's choose. So again it is width. So we have to choose here that is this and this, so that we'll get the rod again. So this is what, and for the concentric thing we have to select this, so that the rod will come and sit here. So then again the last one, we have to select this part. It takes time. Select this and this. Oh, it's not taking. Select this component, then this. So we'll get one rod again. Yes, it is. Then for concentric, let's select this. Okay, click OK. So click OK. All are assembled now. Ready now. Let's rotate it. You can see over here it is rotating. Let's see properly. This is what the 4-cylinder engine after assembling all the parts. So these are the axes. Let's hide them. Yes, this is a sketch 4. Let's hide it. So the sketch went once again. So this is what the 4-cylinder engine. So this is our 4-cylinder engine after the assembling of all the components like crankshaft, connecting rod cap and washer, everything. So this is the 4-cylinder engine, so which is working properly. You can see over here. This is our engine. So let's zoom a bit and also let's turn it. This 4-cylinder engine is basically used in small vehicles like cars and motorcycles, and these cylinders are more fuel efficient. And this is our 4-cylinder engine. Thank you.